Filipino, Aklanon. Filipino is the national language of the Philippines and serves as a standardized form of Tagalog, one of the country's major languages. It is based on Tagalog but incorporates elements from various Philippine languages, as well as foreign languages such as Spanish, English, and Chinese, reflecting the archipelago's diverse linguistic and cultural heritage. Filipino is used in government, education, and media, promoting national identity and unity among the Filipino people. As a language, it continues to evolve, adapting to modern influences while maintaining its roots in indigenous traditions. Aklanon is an Austronesian language spoken by the Aklanon people primarily in the province of Aklan, located in the western Visayas region of the Philippines. It is notable for its unique phonetic feature, the presence of the L and E sounds, where most other Philippine languages use R or I, making its pronunciation distinctive. Aklanon has several dialects, with Inakanon being the most prominent. The language is closely related to other Visayan languages, such as Hiligaynon and Kinaraya, but has its own grammatical and lexical distinctions. It is used in daily conversation, cultural rituals, and local media. Those speakers often also speak Filipino and English for broader communication. Isa,
Isaga,
dalawa,
daywa,
tatlo,
tatlo,
apat,
apat,
lima,
lima,
anim,
anom,
pito,
pito,
walo,
walo,
siyam,
siyam,
sampu.
pulo.
Ama namin, sumasalangit ka. Sambahin ang ngalan mo.
Ama namon nga sa langit, dayawon ringagan.
Mapasa amin ang kaharian mo, sundin ang loob mo dito sa lupa para nang sa langit.
Maabot ring ginharian, matuman ring pagbuot sa langit ag gugta.
Bigyan mo kami ngayon ng aming kakanin sa araw-araw.
Tawi kami't pagkaon sa adlaw-adlaw.
At patawarin mo kami sa aming mga sala, para nang pagpapatawad namin sa mga nagkakasala sa amin.
Patawaragid kami, dahil ginapatawad man namon o gakasaya kamon.
At huwag mo kaming ipahintulot sa tukso, at iadya mo kami sa lahat ng masama. Amen.
Iayo mo kami sa tentasyon, iwason mo kami sa mga magaot,